1.3 factorizing. Factorizing is very amazing, which means factorizing is opposite of the expanding brackets. The expanding brackets, which means open the brackets, and factorizing is close to the brackets. You can see, yeah, open the brackets, and here close to brackets. The opposite. Okay. There's some notes when deal with factorizing. Quadratic expressions we will know in chapter 2. So a quadratic expression form is ax squared plus bx minus c equals 0. So where I, b, c are real numbers and a cannot be 0. So the real number can all be maybe positive 2, negative, or negative 2, or 0. But a can't be 0, including fraction, 1 second, and third, maybe square root 2 will be okay. And there is a special expression in form of x squared minus y squared. We call this difference of two squares. This expression equal x plus y in brackets multiply x minus y. Okay? For the factorizing of our quadratic expressions, there are 4 steps. The first is, for example, first one you clean the screen. Okay, here's a method to factorize a quadratic expression. So it's common quadratic expression is a squared a times x squared plus bx plus c. Now we can use this example to 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. So there find 2 factors of a, say, that add up to, which means 2 factors we have to know factor 1 and factor 2. So factor 1 plus times factor 2 we have to equal AC. AC means 2 times minus 3 equal minus 6, right? And add up to b. B is 5, means factor 1 plus factor 2 equal 5. We change the quadratic expression to linear equation, right? So we can maybe take f1 maybe equal here. So minus 1, or f2 equal for what? 6, right? So the expression can be simplified by 2x squared minus x and plus 6x and minus 3, this equation. So in here we can take common factor x, 2x minus 1 plus they are common in 3, 2x minus 1. So finally they are common factor, right? So x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 in brackets. This is the final answer. Yeah, equal in here. This is very difficult to understand, so we have to do some exercises to enhance the knowledge, right? Okay, so you have to find factor 1 plus times factor 2 equal AC. AC means for what? 1 multiply negative 10 equal minus 10, right? And f1 plus f2 equal b equal, so b is minus 3, right? So this equation can be simplified into 9 equations. So we can quickly understand that maybe f1, f2, maybe f1 is minus 2, can be 2 or 5. So which one is minus? So f1 plus f2 equal minus 3. So of course it's minus 5 in here. So this equation can be simplified by x squared plus 2x minus 5x and minus 10. Yeah, this add together is minus 3x, right? Equal in here. So take the common factor x plus 2 minus 5x for what? Especially do some notion, negative, and positive, right? And equal x plus 2 minus 5x, 10, common factor is 5, x plus 2, then liked item or common factor in here, x plus 2 in brackets. So in deeply x minus 5 times x plus 2 in brackets. Okay, did you get it? This is simple exercises, and now we have to move on to the challenge. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to think about how to solve these questions, these equations. This comes to x cubed, not x squared. No. So think about how to do this. Okay. You can stop the video and think some draft about yourself to do this. Okay. We have to factorizing about this equation. So we have to x cubed. Though we have to do some quadratics equation, right? So we have to we find this common factor in x. So this equation can be simplified by x times square brackets in 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Yeah, this is quadratic equation, right? So what the methods, we have to find factor 1 times factor 2 equal a, say in here is 2 times minus 3 equals minus 6, and f1 factor 1 plus factor 2 add to b minus 5. So think about this linear equation. Maybe factor 1 factor 2 equal maybe minus 6 and positive 1. Yes. So this equation can be changed another form in x plus 2x minus 6x and times plus x minus 3 in here, sorry, square x about middle brackets 2 common factor in here, x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 in brackets. So x a common factor means x middle brackets 2x for x squared x, no, 2x bracket in x, sorry, minus 3 in here plus x minus 3. Okay, they are common factor. So the final answer is x plus 2x brackets in brackets 2x plus 1 by divide and multiply x minus 3. Did you do it correctly? Did you get it? Thank you for watching for this chapter. Okay, thank you.